For those of you that haven't heard about it, YouTube is now coming out with YouTube handles. And so this is my channel name, if you didn't know it, Learning Chords. And this is the email that you're going to get if you have a YouTube channel, or you wouldn't be watching this. But if you have a YouTube channel, originally they used to allow you to pick a URL, kind of like a special address, a personalized URL. And that was only if you had so many subscribers and your channel was doing good, and it was limited. Now anybody that has a YouTube channel is going to be able to select a channel handle. And that is rolling out. I just got the email a couple days ago saying this was coming within the next week or two. And I just got the email today, so it says, in most cases you already have a personalized URL. For mine, it was Learning Chords. And I also had the option to pick another one, but the problem was I was locked. I was completely locked into selecting something like Learning Chords 101 or 201, or I didn't really have a choice. I was stuck with my channel name plus some other suffix they wanted to add on there. So it really wasn't a personalized URL for me. Even though you've got a branding account, I think you could do a branding and change your channel somehow, but you might lose everything that was on there. That's completely changed. Now with the new channel handles, you can select a channel handle. And so you're going to get the email, it says choose a handle, and then for me, I didn't take a photo of it, but it's going to say your channel name is Learning Chords, and we've assigned that to you. If you don't want that, and then you're going to get a little blue thing and it says choose a handle, and that's what this thing is. You click on that, you choose the handle, the box is going to say Learning Chords. If you don't like that, you're going to go, well, how do I change it? In that box, so you're going to have, like for me, I'd have my channel name in the little box, and then there was an arrow next, a check mark next to it, approving that. But if you don't like that, just move the mouse into that little box. It might be a big box. Move the mouse into the box, and you're going to have to do the ampersand sign or whatever that thing is, the @ sign at the front. Make sure that stays in there, and put in your channel name that you want. If it's available, it's going to have a green check mark. And if it's not available, it's going to be some red or some yellow thing saying you can't select it. So if it's available, then you can click on OK, and then it gives you the new channel. So now the interesting thing about this is, okay, so I've already done that. I put in Plane Spotter, and it said Plane Spotter was not available. And I put in LAX Plane Spotter. I don't really know why. I mostly do reviews. I do video reviews, product reviews, but I also do a lot of shorts lately and plane spotting. So I figured grab this thing while it's still available. And so what's going to happen now, as you see, you successfully selected your handles. Handles will start appearing later this year. Your channel has a new URL, and that's the one that I selected, that I said LAX Plane Spotter. Your existing channel URL will continue to work. So I'm going to have two channel names. I can either go to youtube.com and put in my new channel, or I can continue with my old channel of Learning Chords. So I don't know how many times they're going to allow you to make a change. It's coming out. Do some thinking about what you want to do, and assume that this is the only change you're going to be able to make. As I said before, they locked me in, they locked everybody in. Once you had your channel, which for me was Learning Chords, you couldn't make another change without adding on to the same name. So now they're allowing you to select a completely different name. That's going to be coming up. You should be getting an email about that right now. Hopefully this video helps. I'm not going to tell you to do the thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, because nobody does that, but good luck in your new channel name. Thanks for watching.